When looking for a home, you want more than 4 walls and a roof. A home is a reflection of you, from cultural pieces and artwork, all the way to modern designs and motifs within your home. This is why you want to design with Rezt+Relax interior. This space at Wallich Residences is a beautiful blend of both past and present. From a smartly designed living room with lots of room to stretch out and enjoy. A spacious yet efficient kitchen that opens to the rest of the space. And a bedroom that lets you sleep in the opulence and comfort you deserve. My name is Angelyn Wong. Design your life with us.